Which U.S. president is featured on the $1 bill? Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, George Washington. The correct answer is George Washington. Which city is known as the Windy City? Boston, Chicago, Detroit. The correct answer is Chicago. What U.S. state is home to Yellowstone National Park? Montana, Wyoming, Idaho. The correct answer is Wyoming. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle, American robin, golden eagle. The correct answer is bald eagle. What is the largest state in the U.S. by area? Texas, Alaska, California. The correct answer is Alaska. What is the smallest state in the U.S. by area? Delaware, Vermont, Rhode Island. The correct answer is Rhode Island. What is the longest river in the United States? Missouri River, Mississippi River, Colorado River. The correct answer is Missouri River. What is the capital of Nevada? Las Vegas, Reno, Carson City. The correct answer is Carson City. In what year did the United States declare independence? 1783, 1776, 1791. The correct answer is 1776. What U.S. state is home to Harvard University? Connecticut, New York, Massachusetts. The correct answer is Massachusetts. What is the capital of California? Los Angeles, Sacramento, San Diego. The correct answer is Sacramento. Which U.S. state has the nickname the Land of 10,000 Lakes? Wisconsin, Michigan, Minnesota. The correct answer is Minnesota. What river forms the natural border between Texas and Mexico? Mississippi River, Arkansas River, Rio Grande. The correct answer is Rio Grande. What historic event took place on December 7, 1941? D-Day invasion, Pearl Harbor attack, Battle of Gettysburg. The correct answer is Pearl Harbor attack. Which U.S. state is known as the Garden State? New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware. The correct answer is New Jersey. What is the tallest mountain in the United States? Mount Whitney, Denali, Mount Elbert. The correct answer is Denali. Which U.S. city is known as the birthplace of jazz? New Orleans, Chicago, Memphis. The correct answer is New Orleans. Which U.S. state was the last to join the Union? Hawaii, Alaska, Arizona. The correct answer is Hawaii. Which U.S. president is featured on Mount Rushmore alongside Washington, Jefferson, and Lincoln? Andrew Jackson, Theodore Roosevelt, James Madison. The correct answer is Theodore Roosevelt. What is the name of the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution? Federalist Papers, Bill of Rights, Declaration of Independence. The correct answer is Bill of Rights. Which U.S. city is home to the Liberty Bell? Boston, Washington, D.C., Philadelphia. The correct answer is Philadelphia. What is the capital of Texas? Austin, Dallas, Houston. The correct answer is Austin. What is the oldest city in the United States? St. Augustine, Jamestown, Boston. The correct answer is St. Augustine. What U.S. state is home to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame? Michigan, Ohio, Tennessee. The correct answer is Ohio. What is the capital of Hawaii? Maui, Hilo, Honolulu,